Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JBL Tune 760 noise cancelling over-the-ear headphones. So there's a lot of stuff listed on the box, like it has fast pair connection with Android devices over Bluetooth connectivity. Some battery information listed that it uses like 35 hours of battery with noise cancelling on and about 50 hours with noise cancelling off, which is pretty good. That's pretty reasonable at this price tag. But of course, to put it through a battery strain test in the review, a link to the review will be in the video description. And continuing with the unboxing, so I just kind of got the headphones a bit stuck in there, get them out, and there they are. So they have like an oval shape to them, roughly. Just kind of feeling the padding and stuff. The body feels somewhat okay in the hands, but again, I'll put it through some physical strain testing in the review video. So auxiliary cable is included, as well as a USB-A to USB-C cable in the box as well. Notice that there's no traveling pouch or anything like that included. Interesting. And here's the typical JBL documentation, which is like a poster and not just a small booklet, oddly enough. Like the safety and warranty guide, which is a small booklet. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. No traveling case included, but again, more information and breakdown of what I think in the review. A link to that will be in the description, as well as also my video description will be a link to my website and social network links. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.